You can see those little white looking pieces of rice looking things. Those are the screwworms. One with screwworms is somewhere in here. We're trying to get them all to the corral.
Should be up at the front.
Oh, because she's scared of us.
Okay.
She knows something's up.
Should be the first one.
Hey, girl.
Oh. Try not to let too many more pass. Get this whole group.
Okay.
Oh, those ones should come in there. Oh. Go ahead, Clyde. Oh.
Hey, girl. Here's a real friendly one.
Yeah.
She's real nice.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Oh.
Parole. Oh. Hey. Don't let him pass.
Ho.
Go ahead. Yeah.
There's the one with the screwworms right there.
Yeah.
Ho.
Oh.
Ho.
Go
Ho.
ahead, Clyde. Come here, Clyde. Go ahead.
Ho.
Go ahead. Come here, Clyde. Come here, boy. Come here. Go ahead. Come here.
Ho.
Come here.
Ho.
Come here, Clyde. Come here, Clyde. Hey. Oh, come here, Clyde.
There we go.
Come here. Let's go, Clyde.
Oh.
Come here.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Hey. Yeah. Keep going. No.
Oh.
Yeah. Go ahead, Clyde. Go ahead. Hurry. Yeah. Watch out behind you. Oh.
All right.
Go grab the water hose. Bring it in here.
Okay. Ho.
Hey, yeah. Ho.
We're using the water hose.
Ho.
Ho.
Hey, come over here.
Yep.
Go that way. Try to get in the corral.
Ho.
Hey, go close the gate.
Gate is closed. There's our target. Hey, buddy. It's all good. I'm surprised his mama didn't barge in here. Hey, buddy. He's real healthy. I'm surprised his mama didn't barge in here.
Yeah, she's chill now.
He's gotten old enough.
I get in front of the gate and I tell you to open it.
All right.
Okay, let that one out. Close it. Let the baby out. Big one out. There we go.
Whoa. It's all good, girl. We'll probably have to use our earwax scoops on this one. There she goes.
I'm gonna have to hold this rope.
Okay. Yeah, I see him.
You're gonna have to loosen it when I tie it. How many scoopers?
It's that flat one. You probably need that flat one. Bunch right there.
Yeah, it was.
You can see those little white looking pieces of rice looking things. Those are the screwworms falling off. Was that about a finger-sized hole?
Yeah.
She's real calm now.
Hold it.
Yep. Holding this.
That's why they're in there deep. You can't get to them. goes in there deep. Like that.
Never seen it so deep.
Like they're way down here.
Hmm. Oh yeah, there's some more.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch in there.
You can see those other black dots are more warts. Do warts spread through their saliva? Is it just
Different
them?
kinds of warts, some of them by contact.
Hmm.
Some of them are from mosquitoes.
Hmm.
These warts, I think, are from mosquitoes. But they're contagious, too. I can't get any more out. If I didn't know better, I'd say she was cleaned out, but...
That size of hole should be closed up by the morning.
Oh, yeah. Really suffocate all of them out of there.
They even bigger holes probably be closed up by the morning. They heal quick. Corey's going to get the cyperchlor spray to spray it up, that purple stuff, because I forgot it. But this is a good trick. Get a rope around their waist, the back waist right here. And you just pull on it and they'll lay down. I think the last time we had to use that trick is when we had to get some screwworms out of a hoof of a cow. She's just real gentle, chilling right here, but that spray noise is gonna scare her, and she'll probably try to get up. Probably will get up.
This is where she's gonna get really upset.
Yeah, I was just telling the camera she's gonna get up.
I think it's the sound.
Yeah, for sure. Sound.
The sound of it. They know right away. She's looking right at it.
Yeah.
Alright, pull that fucking thing tight.
Wow. A lot better than I thought. This one went way better than last week. Same cow even.
Alright, just loosen that.
Okay. No quad. He like reached in to nip at her ankles.
Oh, she's gonna wear that, yeah.
Yeah. Fine.
Go, bud! What are you doing?
Ah, jeez.
Alright.
If anyone wants to sponsor us a cattle press, please, we could really use it. And the muscovy ducks in the background.
We'll fix this here in a couple days. We'll cut some wood down.
Okay.
Some posts and nail them in. Just like before.
Yep.
We've been drilling a new fence here and had no time.
Yeah. So we'll leave her in overnight and probably let her out in the morning or the next day.
Yeah, something like that. We'll definitely leave her in here overnight.
Yeah, gotta keep spraying her if we let her out. Well, either way. Hit the subscribe button because I'll show you guys an update tomorrow and the next coming days as well. And tomorrow morning that should be all closed up. But we'll just keep spraying it with that Cyper Chlor.